Unboxing of the new robotic vacuum cleaner iLife. So let's see what's in the package. So there is a branding iLife T20S robotic vacuum and mop with self-emptying station. There is a self-emptying station along with the robotic cleaner which moves around, which is mobile. So the cost is around 30,000. To be precise, the cost is 34,900. Ordered on Amazon during the shopping festival, Great Indian Shopping Festival. So there is something. I guess that's the filter, and there is something of the same nature. There are multiples. And there is a warranty book or maybe a guide. So is user manual. Okay. I guess that's the filter. And then there is some brush, and there are some flying kind of brush, and there are two of them. So like this, okay. Here comes the hero product of the package, which is the robot itself. And this is the mobile unit of the device, and it moves around checking the hygiene or the cleanliness of the home, and which does all the heavy lifting. And the content seems to be fresh, I mean the new one. And yeah, this is the bag which holds the dust, and I guess this sits in the stationary unit of the cleaner. So here is the stationary unit which we are unboxing now. So it's all in black and grey, and mostly grey I would say. And this is the wire. I guess it's around 1 meter in length, and as this is a stationary unit, we need not have it lengthier. And this is how it looks from inside out. There sits the bag which collects the dust from this mobile unit. And I guess there is a paper wrapping on it. And if I remove this, this is how it looks, all glossy, all black and grey, and with this textured finish. It's not matte though it looks like that. And there is this power button along with this home. I guess that would reset, or maybe when you push this across, it would go back to the stationary unit. And of course, if I just flip it, you would see the wheels which would make it move and mobile. And there are brushes, all these bristles here, and this is a rubber lining. So this is the unboxing of the robotic home cleaner iLife, which costs you around 34k on Amazon. A little demo of the working of this robotic home cleaner, and this seems to be the flying bristles, I mean the rotating bristles, which would clean up the dry dust which is on the home floor. And this here, the blue thing, is the mop, which would need the water and which would do the wet cleaning. I'll just show where you need to refill the water and where this container of the water is. If you just pull this out from the robotic mobile unit, you would get this blue thing, rubber lid to see, where you just open this up and fill this up with the water. I guess the capacity would be huh?
Up to 50 ml.
Half liter.
250 to
I
500
guess
ml.
around half a liter of water. And once you fill this up, and you need to just put it back in the mobile unit. And here we go. And these brushes here, these bristles, again as I had mentioned, these are for dry cleaning. So we'll just inverse it, just flip it. So as we press this home button, it would go to the docking station. So it's moving towards the docking station to charge itself up, and docking station is just half a meter away. Let's see how it does it. As it nears the docking destination, it just turns around to put those charging. So this stainless steel thing, those are the charging points, and it is charging now. So it has started. So the fans are rotating, the brush. So it is mapping the whole house now, and there is an app dedicated for this, which shows you the mapping of the home as well as how it does the cleaning and where it is. So I can just touch and feel the wetness, because there is a wet cleaning also happening parallelly along with the dry ones. So it's mapping the entire home now. So once the mapping is done, and as well as cleaning, so hand in hand. So it is going and accessing all the nook and corners of the home possible where it can, get in. Not that loud, and it is kind of bearable. Just for the demo purpose, we have put some sambar powder in front of this robotic cleaner. Let's see how it does, how it works. So here it is. So the dry dust which we had put for demo purpose, it is still there. I guess once it is enroute back, probably it will clean this up as well. And it is stuck there in the carpet, and it is turning back itself. Robot is stuck now in this carpet.
Robot is picked up and tilted.
So it is put back on ground. I guess the sensors are working so that it has aligned itself, but it is still saying that it's not on the ground. Manually restart. Yeah. So as the green lights are on, the robot is back on track.
Mama, illa charging you go back and wapas.
So you can see the wetness here. It is doing both the dry and wet cleaning. So guys, here is a quick, as I was mentioning, the quick unboxing and a quick demo of the iLife mobile robotic home cleaner. So hope you like this video. Please do, as I always say, subscribe, like and share, and plug in back. Bye bye.